Hey everyone, in today's video we are decorating my living room and entryway for a relaxing everyday style for winter. A few days ago I decided to move my entryway table to my living room, and the chest that I had in my living room, I moved it where the entryway table was. I'm moving around furniture, trying to create a new look without spending any money. I love the way this table fills up this wall in my living room. And I have easy access to the ottomans, so it's easy to pull them out when we need to sit. I thought having the vinyl player in my living room would just create the perfect cozy vibe whenever we're sitting here and just listening to music. We're going to start off by decorating my entryway. I'm going to keep this area very simple. When I'm decorating, I like to mix a lot of my older decor along with some thrift finds and some new finds, but a lot of the items you're going to see in my Decorate Me video are not linkable because I've had them for a couple of years now. If you are looking for a planter like this, I found this one at TJ Maxx last year, and I bought this tree from Target from Hearth and Hand last year too. I bought this picture easel from Michael's. I have it linked in my LTK shop. I love using thrifted picture frames, and inside of it I use digital art prints that I get from Etsy, and I do Mod Podge to it to give it that matte look. Majority of the books you're going to see in today's videos are all thrifted. I don't really have those designer books that everyone share. I buy my books for $2 to $3 each. I love the titles of these books, so I'm making the titles face towards me. I found this hurricane candle holder at Goodwill last year, and this one gives me so much Nancy Meyers vibes. Not sure if I ever shared this thrift find with you guys, but I found this at Restore last year for only $6, and I just love this piece, and I want it to be kind of like the center of attention on my entryway, so I'm putting it right in the center of the table. Here's a closer look of everything and how I styled it on this table. I had this empty spot in my entryway, so I decided to bring this chair that I had in my family room down here just to have like a filler space in this area. And I'm just putting a blanket and then the store pillow. I got it from Target 3 years ago. Couple of days ago, I shared a short sharing that I painted one of my older lamps using antique wax to make it look brown, and if you haven't seen that short, definitely check it out. But I've been loving all the brown lamps that I'm seeing online, and I wanted to recreate that look without spending any money. Last weekend we went thrifting and I found this beautiful glass bowl. I love the ruffle edges, and I have to share with you guys my thrift find soon, but I found some beautiful glass pieces. I'll be using those pieces in a Decorate With Me next week when I share my dining room. This vase, I got it from HomeGoods last year. Definitely check out your HomeGoods because they bring out these vases frequently. I also went to HomeGoods last weekend and I found this beautiful lampshade for only $17. It's this beautiful burgundy color floral print, and I just love this color so much. I'm trying to incorporate pops of red in my home. This is not that bright red, it's more muted, and I think it's going to be the perfect accent color for this new year. I don't really have any real plants in my home because I don't really have a green thumb, so I'm putting this fake plant right next to the lamp. I would love to hear what you think about this lampshade. Do you love the print and the color? I really love this, and for $17, I feel like it made such an impact in this corner. These two picture frames that I hung next to my bookcase during Christmas time, they have that pop of burgundy, and I thought it just complements the lampshade even more, and I decided to switch out the prints I had. For winter time, I wanted to keep it neutral, so I did these floral sketch art print. This picture frame was thrifted, and I used one of my digital art prints inside of it. And to create that fabric matting, I just hot glued some drop cloth. It's an easy way to give your old picture frame that matting look that's very high end right now. I always use my Liz Marie books for inspiration when I'm decorating, so I wanted to have easy access to these books, so I'm leaning them against the bookshelf. This is one of my favorite vases that I own. I got this from H&M about 5 years ago, and I have a hard time styling it. For winter, I decided to just pop it on top of my bookshelf on some books. When I was decorating my home this winter, I realized that I have a lot of decor pieces, but not everything is my favorite item. My goal this year in decorating is to only decorate with my favorite pieces, even if those pieces are just sitting on the bookshelf like statement items. I bought this vase from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. It used to be white, but I painted it brown just to match my aesthetic better. This bean pot was also a thrift find, and I love the burgundy color. I feel like it's pulling the other burgundies that I have in the room really well. Also, these florals are fall florals. Don't be afraid to mix and match your seasonal decor. Use your fall decor during the winter time. Use your spring decor during the fall time. Just mix and match your decor. This headbus is from TJ Maxx, and I thought it would be a great way to connect the one that I have in my entryway and have it flowing in my living room too. I really struggled when it comes to decorating my coffee table this year for winter because I didn't want to use any florals in this room, but just using plain greenery made this room feel very boring, so I decided to use these florals. They're more airy, and I think by using these florals, it pulled all the other floral prints I have in this room really well. I decided to put 2 different candles on my coffee table. I just love this candle holder and it adds some height to this table. And then this glass candle, I got it from HomeGoods right after Christmas time. I felt like this corner right here where my accent chair is, it needed a little table for me to put my coffee down when I'm sitting here relaxing. So I had this little tiny stool that used to be in my dining room, but I decided to bring it here, and I'm just putting a coaster on top of it, keeping it very simple. And I decided to put a blanket right on top of the green ottoman. During Christmas time, I finally found my wooden horse that I was on the hunt for 3 years, and I decided to put it right here next to this table. I'm still playing around with it, not sure I'm going to keep it, but here's a final look at how the room turned out. I hope today's Decorate With Me video has inspired you when you are decorating your home this winter. And if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from me in the future. Don't forget to like today's video and comment what was your favorite part. I would love to hear from you. Alright, thanks for hanging with me today. I'll see you guys soon for another one. Bye for now.